Hey, it's Tracy from Ducharme Motors, and if you're looking for a good pre-owned vehicle, this 5-liter 2015 may be your choice of truck. It's a SuperCab. It's only got 178,000 kilometers, and if you do the math, it's only 22,000 kilometers a year. One owner, very well maintained. It is a 6.5-foot box. It's got the FX4 off-road package. We have reverse sensing. We have the tow package. It comes with a nice reverse camera as well. And it also has the sliding rear window on the back. The truck is in very good shape. It's got, I would say, 80% tire tread left, mud flaps, running boards, keyless entry, the door keypad, 2 sets of keys, remote start. So now we're gonna check on the inside. Okay, now that we're inside, as you can see, it's got the black cloth seats with the center console, with the center shift. Let's go ahead and start this truck up. You can see it's got the nice 8-inch screen with the phone, the entertainment, the navigation, and all your settings. It's got the heated seats options there, which is super nice in the winter. Look at this. I want you to zoom in on this. Look, let's check this button out. Yeah, I know. Super rare. This one has a CD. So for all you guys with CD player, there you go. We got this truck. 4-wheel drive again. It's got the locking differentials here, air cruise, tilt, power windows, power locks. 178,000 kilometers. Don't miss out on this truck. Give us a call, 780-826-3278.